Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You act now, unlock your phone, put it on speaker, and dial the emergency number for your area. Explain what happened in one clear sentence. This helps dispatch prioritize. Once you say the type, medical, fire, or police, give the exact location with landmarks and access details. If someone is injured, describe breathing, consciousness, and major bleeding. Stay near the line, do not hang up until the dispatcher tells you to. Keep calm, your tone guides responders. Once the dispatcher asks questions, answer them directly and patiently. This is how resources are matched. Say how many people are involved, their ages if known, and immediate threats like heavy bleeding or no breathing. This determines whether basic life support instructions are given. If there is fire, gas, or live wires, move to a safe distance and tell dispatch. Follow any first aid or evacuation steps they give you. They will coach you through what to do until help arrives. Before ending the call, confirm the responder's estimated arrival time and any entry points or gate codes. This prevents delays. If the call drops, call back immediately and tell dispatch it was a disconnected emergency call. They can reconnect to prior data. If you don't speak the same language, ask for interpreter services or use simple words, numbers, and landmarks. If things go wrong, remain calm and call back. Persistence ensures responders find you. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.